Hi, I'm Meaghan, a developer at NoviSystems. Today, we'll be walking through how to create a dashboard, what widgets are, and how to interact and filter your data through widgets on a dashboard. Dashboards in Fusion Analytics are a visual representation of your data that also allow you to apply filters and traverse through related or joined data. Check out our video on advanced dashboards or data relations to learn more about leveraging relationships in dashboards. The data we'll be working off of was downloaded from Kaggle. Check the link in the description if you'd like to follow along on your own instance of Fusion Analytics. Let's start by creating a dashboard. We're going to give it a name, and select the data table that we'd like to use. This page is your dashboard. We're already in edit mode, so we can add, edit, or remove widgets here. Widgets are elements on the dashboard that let you interact, display, and analyze parts of your data. Let's look at some examples. The first type of widget we'll add is a table widget. This widget will display the columns you select in a table and will update to the latest dataset as you apply your filters using other widgets. We're going to select all the fields and hit Save. One neat thing about widgets is that they're all resizable and allow you to drag and drop to let you rearrange your dashboard to look exactly how you want. Within the table widget, we can sort and view different pages of the data. Let's take a look at a widget that shows a summary of our data as a whole instead of viewing the individual rows. We're going to go back into edit mode and add a new row count widget. This widget will show the total number of rows in your dataset and will update when we apply filters to our next widget. Let's add another widget, a select box this time. And let's select the gender field. This widget shows a drop-down of all the options in that field. If we select female, the data in the rest of the widgets is filtered, so only rows with the value female in the gender column are shown. If we unselect female, our data returns to its default unfiltered state and shows all the rows. It helps to think of all widgets on the dashboard as showing the same set of data, either the whole table or a filtered subset. Whenever a widget is filtering data, it'll show here in the filter bar. You can clear any filter by hitting the X next to its name. Many widgets can display, analyze, and filter data at the same time. For example, let's add a pie chart widget. We'll use the gender field again. The pie chart shows us the ratio of male to female rows in the database. It also allows us to select one of those values by clicking on a pie wedge. On graphs like this, you can clear the filter by clicking on the Reset button or clicking in whitespace. You can change a widget's settings, like its title or the fields it shows, by going into edit mode and selecting Edit Settings. Let's add a title to our pie chart. To remove a widget, click Edit Settings on the one you'd like to delete, and then hit Remove. We ask for a confirmation just to be sure. There are lots of other useful widgets you may want to use, depending on your dataset. Here's a short explanation of useful ones for most datasets. The Search widget allows you to filter rows by searching for text. The Line Graph widget is useful if you have numeric data you need to plot. Likewise, the Timeline graph can plot data over time. Bar graphs are useful for showing categorical data in histograms. The checkbox Radio Select works the same way as a multi-select or a select widget would, but gives you a different look for your dashboard and is great for viewing a small number of options all at once. The Date Filter widget allows you to filter data by a range of dates. If you want to add text explanations or titles to your dashboard, you can use the Free Text widget. If you have two numeric fields, you can plot them as a scatter plot. We'll cover all of these widgets in more detail, as well as some more specialized ones in future videos. Feel free to explore on your own, since it's easy to reconfigure or delete widgets you don't want. Look for more advanced dashboard and widget topics in future videos, and be sure to check us out at Novi.Systems. Thanks for watching!